that another one? Was another one jumping? On the jig. My drag slipped. This little baby. It's a little baby one. Got one. I was right. Huh? This one. I knew it.
They like that.
Yeah. So from here, cast. Says as far as you can back away from. You see that little ripple right there? They like this grass and rock transition. That last fish was short and fat. Ooh. I think that was a rock. There you go. Keep reeling, keep reeling. You got one. You hit it hard.
Yeah, I got
Try. You got a worm that's a little bit bigger than that.
Huh?
You got a worm that's a little bit bigger. Got another one? Oh, baby, you got a nice one. That's a nice one. Keep reeling, keep reeling, keep reeling.
Ooh.
Nice.
He was fighting, boy.
That's a nice one there. That's way up. We'll say about 2.5.
Should we get the hook out?
Yeah. You hit it hard. Yeah. 2.9.
Yeah. That's a nice size.
Yeah. 2.9. Fish number 3.
I saw it come through it. Ooh, this is spicy. Makes me nervous.
It's only got that one hook, so just grab the body.
Ooh, I got you.
Nice
Mom,
fish.
thank you.
Oh my God. Did you see that? Oh, he was sitting there. It wasn't big, but he... Damn it. Man. There we go. Is my camera on? Holly. He even hit it hard. Right in that corner of the mouth. Stop it.